Traverse a list in reverse order in Python. How do I traverse a list in reverse order in Python? So I can start from collection len collection -1, and end in collection 0. I also want to be able to access the loop index.
Use the built-in reversed function. To also access the original index, use enumerate on your list before passing it to reversed. Since enumerate returns a generator and generators can't be reversed, you need to convert it to a list first.
You can do or whatever you want to do in the for loop. The column -1 slice reverses the list in the for loop, but won't actually modify your list permanently.
It can be done like this. So your guess was pretty close, smile a little awkward, but it's basically saying, start with 1 less than len collection, keep going until you get to just before -1, by steps of -1. FYI, the help function is very useful as it lets you view the docs for something from the Python console, e.g. help range.
If you need the loop index, and don't want to traverse the entire list twice, or use extra memory, I'd write a generator.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.